Samsung has been the world's #1 TV brand for 16 years, with a range that includes Crystal UHD, QLED, Lifestyle TVs featuring the Frame, the Serif, the Sero and the Terrace, QD OLED, Neo QLED 4 and 8K, as well as projectors. There's something to suit any lifestyle and budget. But what does it all mean, and why would you choose one over the other? Well, I'm going to talk you through the entire range to give you a sense of what's available and what's the right fit for you. First up, Crystal UHD. It gives you crystal clear colour and stunning 4K clarity, all on a super slim and super smart design. Then we come to quantum dot technology across our QLED TVs. With over 1 billion cinematic colours, true to life picture quality and 3D audio, it makes for a brilliant 4K viewing experience. There's also our range of lifestyle TVs, which are ideal for when you want more than just a TV. When the frame is turned on, you're wowed by the brilliant glare-free QLED TV display. And when it's turned off, it turns into your very own gallery of iconic art and stunning photography. A beautiful TV with a range of over 40 personalised bezels, so you can personalise it to suit your style or decor. Dreamed up by the award-winning Barolek brothers, the Serif is a design statement. With its signature eye profile, it looks stunning from any angle and makes an impact in any room. Transform how you surf social media and how you watch 4K entertainment. The Sero is the world's first rotating TV, which maximises your content for full vertical or horizontal viewing, depending on what you're watching. The Terrace brings the best of indoor entertainment to the outdoors. Great for a midday game or a midnight movie all year round. Samsung's QD OLED boasts quantum dot technology, providing the best of both worlds with deep inky blacks and incredible true-to-life colour. Breathtaking brightness, extreme blacks and exquisite picture detail, this ultra-slim Neo QLED TV has it all, as well as epic 3D surround sound, which redefines immersive viewing in 4K and jaw-dropping 8K. Bring the cinema home with the Premiere. Triple laser tech, 130-inch screen and built-in smart TV, all in glorious 4K detail. Need your big screen entertainment to be a little more portable? The Freestyle is super compact and versatile, so you can use it anywhere to watch TV, movies, share your phone screen, or simply just to create a vibe. So there you have it. Samsung's wide range of TVs gives you endless possibilities. Rest assured, whether you're wanting to kick back and watch your favourite movie in breathtaking colour and detail, be wowed by a stunning design statement, or have your entertainment on the go, we have you covered.